Hello my dear students, welcome to today's maths class. How was your exam? Yes, easy. Then some students want to submit your maths assignment. So tomorrow is the last date for submitting your assignment. All of you must submit this assignment. That 5 marks activity, 5 marks. If you will not submit, you will not get the mark. So all of you must do that one. Yes. So last day we are studied that we studied about perimeter and perimeter. That is perimeter of a rectangle equal 2 into length plus breadth. Then perimeter of a square equal 4 into length of one side. Then perimeter of a regular hexagon 6 into length of side. If there is pentagon 5 into length of one side, then etc. So today we are going to study about the continuous remaining problems. So all of you open your notebook and textbook. So open your notebook, then write. Next question, write. Find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. Once more, find the side of the square whose perimeter is 20 meter. So here given perimeter equal 20 meter. So we studied about perimeter of a square equal 4 into length of side. But here we want to find the length of one side. So length of one side equal perimeter divided by 4. Perimeter divided by 4. That equal 20 meter divided by 4 equal 5 meter. Very simple question. Once more. Perimeter equal 20 meter. Length of one side or length of the side equal perimeter by 4, that equal 20 meter by 4 equal 5 meter. Write neatly. Next question. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. The perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. How long is each side? So here also we studied perimeter of a regular pentagon equal, pentagon means 5 sides, that equal 5 into length of one side. Here we want to also here perimeter equal 100 centimeter. Then length of one side equal length of the side equal, that equal say 100 divided by 5, that equal 20 centimeter. Once more, perimeter equal 100 centimeter. Length of the side equal 100 divided by 5, that equal 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Next question, page number 212. Page number 212. Question number 2. All of you write the question. The lid of a rectangular box of sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter is sealed all round with tape. What is the length of the tape required? So here given, which shape of that box? Rectangular shape. So perimeter of a rectangle we studied 2 into length plus breadth. Then here that length of the box of sides, that is 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. From that we can write length equal 40 centimeter and breadth equal 10 centimeter. Is sealed all round with the tape. Then what is the length? Here perimeter of the rectangular box equal length of the tape required. Once more here, length of the tape required equal perimeter of the rectangular box. So we can write length of the tape required equal length of the tape required equal What is that one? Perimeter of the rectangular box. That is 2 into, we studied 2 into length plus breadth. So here 2 into length equal 40 plus breadth equal 10 centimeter. That equal 2 into 40 plus 10 equal 50 centimeter. That equal 2 into 50 equal 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal dash meter? 1 meter. Once more, here rectangular box of this, here lid of the sides 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Length equal 40 centimeter, breadth equal 10 centimeter. So length of the tab required equal perimeter of the rectangular box 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore 2 into, first you want to add these numbers 40 plus 10, that equal 50, then multiply by 2. 2 into 50 equal 100 centimeter, that equal 1 meter. So all of you write the question number 3. A tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? So here given a tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter. So here given, yes, length equal 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth equal, say the answer, 1 meter 50 centimeter. 1 meter 50 centimeter. So we can write here 2.25 meter and here also 1.50 meter. Then here what is the perimeter of the tabletop? So perimeter of the tabletop equal, perimeter of the tabletop equal 2 into length plus breadth, that equal 2 into length 2.25 plus breadth 1.50 meter, that equal 2 into 2.25 plus 1.50. Understand? Then 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 5 equal 7, 2 plus 1 equal 3, that equal 3.75. 3.75 meter. Next, 2 into 3.75 meter. Again, we want to multiply. All of you do 2 into 3.75. So, we can multiply together. Then, 3.75 into 2. Then, here all of you listen. 5 into 2 equal 10. Then, 7 into 2 equal 14 plus 1 equal 15. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1 equals 7. That equals 7.50 meter or 7.5 or 7 meter 50 centimeter. 7.50 meter. Once more. Length 2.25 meter, breadth 1.50 meter, perimeter of the tabletop 2 into length plus breadth. First you want to add 2.25 plus 1.50, that equal 2 into 3.75, that equal 7.50 meter. Next question, question number 4, that is your homework. I will explain. What is the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph of length and breadth 32 cm and 21 cm respectively? Very simple question. For here given length and breadth. Next, what is the length of the wooden strip? That is perimeter of the wooden strip. Then 2 into length plus breadth. You can do, yes. Next video I will give the answer. Next, question number 5. All of you write. Then, a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Once more, a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. So, here that rectangular piece of land. So, rectangular shape. So, first length equal 0. Yes, length equal 0.7 kilometer. Length equal 0.7 kilometer and breadth equal 0.5 kilometer. Once more, 0.7 kilometer and 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wires. Next, that equal. So first we want to find the perimeter of the rectangular piece of land. So perimeter of the rectangular piece of land equal that equal 2 into length plus breadth, right? 2 into length equal 0.7 plus 0.5. Here what that one measurement, that kilometer. Clear? That equal 2 into 0.7 plus 0.5. That equal 7 plus 5 equal 12. Then 1. That equal 1.2 kilometer. That equal 2 into 1.2 kilometer. That equal, listen, 1.2 into 2. That equal 2 2s are 4 and 2 into 1. That equal 2.4 kilometer. 2.4 kilometer. So remaining question, what is the length of the wire needed? So here how many rows wires we want? 4 rows. 4 rows. So last answer, length of the wire needed equal. So length of the wire needed equal, say the answer, 4 into 2.4. That equal 4 4s are 16. Then 4 into 2, 8 plus 1 equal 9.6 kilometer. Clear? That is once more, a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. From that we can identify that length equal 0.7 kilometer, breadth equal 0.5 kilometer. Next, we want to find the perimeter of the rectangular land, that equal 2 into length plus breadth. Length 0.7 plus 0.5. The sum of these two numbers equal 1.2. Next, 2 into 1.2. We can multiply 2 2s are 4. 2 into 1, 2.4 kilometer. Next, last question. According to your question, we want to write what is the length of the wire needed. So, how many wires here? 4 rows of wires. So, we can multiply, that is perimeter here, this answer into 4. Therefore, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 equal 9.6 kilometer. Next question, page number 213, question number 11. Page number 213, question number 11. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. A piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Clear? Next, what will be the length of each side? What will be the length of each side? If the string is to form, if the string is used to form, first question number 1, first one, a square. Simple question. So square shape. So here question, the piece of string is 30 centimeter long. So you can identify the meaning of that sentence. So a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. Next, what will be the length of each side? Each string is, അതായത് ഈ ഒരു സ്ട്രിങ്ങിന്റെ നീളമാണ് ഇതിൽ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിനെ സ്ക്വയർ ഷേപ്പിലോട്ട് മാറ്റുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് നമുക്ക് ഓരോന്നിൻ്റെയും നീളം എത്ര കിട്ടുമെന്നാണ് മീനിങ്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ സ്ക്വയർ. വി സ്റ്റഡീഡ് ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ഈച്ച് സൈഡ് ഓഫ് എ സ്ക്വയർ ഈക്വൽ പെരിമീറ്റർ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 4. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? പെരിമീറ്റർ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 4. സ്ക്വയർ ഷേപ്പിലാവുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് എന്താണ്? പെരിമീറ്റർ divided by 4. So here given perimeter equal 30 centimeter. Piece of stone is 30 centimeter long. Clear? So 30 centimeter divided by 4, that equal 30 divided by 4. 7 4s are 28. Then 2 plus 8 equal 10. Next 0. Then 5 into 4 equal 20. Then 7.5 centimeter. Clear? Square in the shape of a square we can divide by 4. That equals 7.5 centimeter. Right the answer. Next one. Next sub question B. Then here sub question B, an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. Again, don't want to write the question. You can write question number B only. First A, then sub question B with the same question. Here also, a piece of string is 30 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side? String is used to form an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal 3 into length of side. So here, length of what will be the length of each side? So here equilateral triangle. So we want to divide by 3. So length of each side equal, say the answer. Yes, 30 centimeter divided by 3. That equal 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Yes. Next one more question. There, question number C. Question number C. Question number C. A regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. So in a hexagon, how many sides are there? 6 sides. Clear? So then perimeter of a hexagon equal 6 into length of side. So here we want to find the length of each side. So length of each side equal, that equal 30 centimeter divided by 6. That equal 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Next question. The two sides of the triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. What is its third side? So we studied perimeter of the triangle equals sum of the length of the 3 sides. So from the question given 2 sides. So first we want to find the length of 2 sides. Clear? So example 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. But total 36 centimeter. So first we can find the sum of the lengths of 2 sides. Write the answer. That equal 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter. Say the answer. 14 plus 2 plus 4 6. 1 plus 1 2. 26 centimeter. Understand? Yes. Next here perimeter of the triangle equal. Perimeter equal 36 centimeter. So length of the third side equal. Length of the third side equal. Right. Length of the third side equal. Length of the third side equal. Yes. Perimeter minus sum of the lengths of 2 sides. So 36 centimeter minus 26 centimeter equal 10 centimeter. Once more, given sum of the lengths of 2 sides, that is 12 centimeter plus 14 centimeter equal 26 centimeter. The total perimeter equal 36 centimeter. Perimeter of the given triangle, sum of the length of 3 sides. So that total minus sum of the length of 2 sides, that equal 10 centimeter. Next question, question number 14. Question number 14. Then question number 13, your homework. Find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of 20 rupees per meter. Yes, so today 2 questions homework. Next one. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length. Next question, right? Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So here given, right, length of the rectangular park, isn't it? So length equal 175 meter and breadth equal, say the answer, 125 meter. So first we want to find the perimeter of the rectangle, that equal perimeter of the rectangle equal perimeter equal 2 into length plus breadth, that equal 2 into length on 75 plus breadth on 25 meter, that equal 2 into 175 plus 125. 5 plus 5 10, 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 10, then 3. Clear? 300, that equal 2 into 300 equal, that is 2 3s are 6, then 0, then meter. Clear? That equals 600 meter. That is the perimeter. But question, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length, then at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So we want to find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. So write the answer, that is cost of fencing the rectangular park equal write the answer, that equal how much rupees that one? 12. Then 12 into 600. 6 into 12 equal 72 and 2 once more. So here given, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. So 2 into length plus breadth. Length equal 175 meter and breadth equal 125 meter. Perimeter of the rectangular park, that equal 2 into length plus breadth, that equal 175 plus 270, 125 equal 300. We can multiply together. 300 into 2 equals 600 meter. Next we want to find the cost of fencing the rectangular park. Then 12, then here money given 12 rupees. 12 into 600, that equals 7,200 rupees. Understand? Yes. Next question. Next one. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Write the question. Question number 25. Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Next, once more. Next one. Bulbul, next person who? Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Then, who covers the less distance? Who covers the less distance? So, here 2 persons are there. So, we want to find the perimeter of the that square park and perimeter of the rectangular park. Understand? So, this question also homework. I will give the answer through your WhatsApp. Understand? So, question number 4. Next question number 13 and question number 15. These questions are homework. Understand? All of you complete the notes. Thank you. Have a great day.